Back at it with another awesome photo location in downtown Sacramento. This one is super unique. I can't wait to show you guys. Here we go. All right, guys, back in downtown Sacramento, like I said, headed to the California State Library building. This is actually, it's not a new building. Obviously, it's a really old, beautiful, historic building with incredible architecture. But it's newly opened. It was closed for a while. They were doing renovations to the outside. I don't know if they did any to the inside of the building, I'll be totally honest. But there's been a fence and a gate around the building for a very long time. The whole area, there's two buildings that are really similar around a fountain that I've showed on my channel. There's been a lot of stuff happening over there for about like 4 or 5 years. So I haven't been in this building in a very long time. I'm excited to get in there, check it out, and just kind of see what it looks like now. I think it's pretty much the same. I think they were just renovating the outside of the building, but it's a really cool photo spot in Sacramento. Really old, historic building, incredible architecture on the inside. There's like some statues. The library is beautiful. It's a cool spot. Hidden gem for sure. Not a lot of people in Sacramento know about this, but they let you come in. They let you bring your camera. At least last time I went, they did. And yeah, you can kind of roam around and take some cool photos in a beautiful space. So I can't wait to show you guys. Here we go. That is a wrap for another location video. Like I said, really cool hidden gem in downtown Sacramento. Be aware of the hours of that building. It is a library, so it's limited on the hours. I don't know if it's open on the weekend. I went during the week. I'm lucky to have kind of an open schedule, free schedule. But if you're in downtown Sacramento, it's during the week. Open to go in there. It doesn't cost any money. It's really cool. It's different than what you kind of typically see in Sacramento and in California in general. It's almost got kind of a like European historic kind of vibe to it, but a really cool spot, good for photos. It is dark in there, so keep that in mind if you want to do a shoot or go get some photos. I wouldn't like bring a tripod or a flash or anything like that, but a cool spot to just kind of roam and see some different things, check out some of the details. There's some really beautiful like statues and all kinds of cool stuff in there. So solid spot overall. I'm going to keep sharing these location videos, sharing stuff here in Sacramento and California, and eventually the rest of the country and the world and beyond. But appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.